what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I have another unboxing Noob for you guys, and what we're unboxing today is the newly Pixel Buds 2 from Google. Yes guys, I got these first before I got my phone, and these came in last. But yeah, today we're gonna unboxing / first impressions. I have a knife, be careful guys. Little kids, be careful, don't really, but I'm really excited. I just went and grabbed it from my mailbox. Always cut away from you, all right, never towards you. And today I have a different background. I'm actually in my kitchen right now since everybody's at the house, away from you. I decided to just do it here. It's really pretty outside, it's just really windy. It's really nice, so we're just gonna keep it open. If it's Oreo, that's my little dog. Yeah, look how pretty it is. I made those with my little brother and they're so cute. And Oreo's just smelling. But okay, back to this. Oh my god! Here they are. Ooh. Oh, I want to pop those so bad, but let's do that later. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Cute. Oh my god. So I do have my Pixel right here. So we're gonna be connecting them and everything. But oh my gosh. Yes. Yeah, let's get started. Look how cute they are. They're so... Alright guys, so before I unbox it, I'm gonna tell you guys the specs. So these are the Google Pixel Buds 2. The first ones, I didn't really see them, but I've heard that they were garbage. Well, not garbage, but they, like, why even bother buying them? But these got my attention because a YouTuber that I really like to see, and he's awesome, Flossie Carter on YouTube, he recommended these. So I was like, oh, I'm getting a Pixel, why not get the Buds with it, you know? So yeah, that's why I got them. Plus I saw a bunch more reviews, but the review that made me get these was Flossie. So thank you so much, Flossie. I'm gonna try them out now. But yeah, let's get out to the specs. So the colors are white, almost black, quite mint, and also orange. I don't know if they're out or if they're just out of stock. Like if you go to the website, it says add to waiting list. I don't know if they're, like I said, out of stock or they haven't released those. But the only ones, I got these off Best Buy, by the way. I didn't get it off the Google site, but you could get it off there or the Best Buy site. Also, I think Walmart or Target, I'm not sure. I'll put the link where I got this and then put the Google one. But I only found this color. I didn't find the other ones. I wanted the black ones, but like I said, they didn't have them. The battery life is rated at 5 hours with one single charge, 24 hours with the charging case. Weight of it is 18 ounces per bud, 2.3 ounces charging is the charging case, and the connectivity is Bluetooth 5.0, so that's really good. And it's also sweat and water resistant. It's not like, oh, if you pour a jug of water is gonna live through it. No, it's like if it's raining and it's a little bit like speckle rain. I don't know how you would say in English. Como si está. I said a lot of You guys don't know how many times I have to edit out on my videos when I'm recording them or editing. But yeah, I edit a bunch of those. Yeah, so sweat and water resistant, not water like pouring in water, but like if you get a little bit of water on them, they're not gonna die on you type water. All right, so don't wet them. All right, so let's get on with the unboxing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm really sorry my dogs bark. They're right here with me, like I was saying, away from you. Ooh. Not towards you. I think that's gonna be fine. I love how simple and aesthetic the Google packaging is. Always, like, it's just amazing. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Boom boom. Oh my it's so weird to actually, oh, yeah, they do weigh. Wow. Let me just admire it. Oh my gosh. It looks like an egg. Look, guys, let me bring an egg. Okay, guys, I actually brought an egg. Look, this is an egg. These are the pixels, the buds. Wow, I think this, well, yeah, it's, but they feel kind of the same way. Nice, but how cute is that? It does look like an egg. I've been seeing reviewers like, oh, it looks like an egg, and it does, just it's flatter. How cute is that? I just had to make the comparison. Now my hand is gonna smell like eggs. Okay, so let's put this aside like a real unboxing. So you have you could change the size. This is large and small. The ones that are in here are medium, which I think are gonna fit me. Still don't know. A USB to USB-C cable to charge your earbuds. And do we get stickers on this one? Do we? Do we not? We don't. Okay. I'm sorry if you hear that kid screaming. I cannot tell her to shut up. She's outside. So she can do whatever she wants. But that's all you get in this small little box. I mean, you could reuse this box and put like a stash of money in here. That's what I like to do with my, like, hide money. And then when you find it, you're like, oh my God, treasure. I hid money a long time ago. Like, you just find it and you're like, whoa, I found money. And that girl is still screaming. This is how they look up close. Oh, wait, I need to do that again. Shh, ASMR time. I'm really struggling with this. I'm really sorry if you hear my brother. He's playing Fortnite. Daddy. Okay. Ta-da! Oh my God, they are so cute. What? Oh my God. Wow. But am I gonna love these? Are they gonna fit in my, like, right now I real love them, and they do. That's really satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna put one in my ear, but look, like Flossie did. Maximum. Oh, okay, no, that didn't work. Okay, one more time. Maximum. He did like the, if they fell out, and he did like the, oh, the little bit, the maximum, and they go. But let me put it in my ear. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna put the other one in. Okay. Okay, I know they ain't noise canceling, but once you put them in the ear, it like muffles everything around you. Like, just by putting them both in, I feel like I'm like screaming. You guys have like a pair of headphones, like gaming headphones, and you put them on, and then you could hear everything, but like you hear it all like muffled. Yeah, that's how I feel when I have these on. So this is how they look in the ear. They actually look pretty good. But yeah, they look really nice. Wow. They look pretty nice. I'm loving them. Like, they feel great. I don't think I need to change the size of the little earbuds. If I would, I'd probably a small, but these fit perfectly. Wow. But yeah, they feel pretty good. I'm really impressed. Like, and then you like boom, and they're charging Wow, it's so cute. Look at it. My big old hands. They fit in my pocket. I'm in my pocket. My little pocket. And my socks and sandals. Don't make fun of my socks and sandals. Alright guys, so right here I'm just connecting my Pixel Buds to my Google Pixel. I'm doing a voiceover because at this time my brothers came downstairs and they were being so freaking loud. But as you can see here, my Pixel Buds connected to my Pixel real quick. Alright, so now we're just setting our Pixel Buds. So some people just skip this process, but I just had to just go through it just to double check, like see the gestures and all that. But yeah, we're just setting up voice assistant, Google Voice Assistant, and all that fun stuff. Alright, so as you see right here, the app tells you this is where you could customize your buds and everything. It tells you how much they are charged and all that, like how much charge they need, how much is left on the case, how much is left on the bud. And right here I'm just jamming out to say so. The remix. Yeah, jam. Yeah. I was jamming, guys. Hey. You guys could actually hear it. Look. Android and Apple, just on Android you're gonna have a specific application where you could edit how you want it, everything, like customize your buds. It's somewhere in here. I know it's somewhere in here. You look it up on your phone. Google Buds. There you is. Open. You pair a new device, and it's gonna pair these on. I think you should pair it automatically. There you go. Pixel Buds. Pairing. Allow you to access your contacts. Okay. Pale. And there you guys go. My Pixel Buds are paired into. And there you guys go. My Pixel Buds. And there you guys go. My Pixel Buds are paired to my. There you guys go. My Pixel Buds are paired to my Android. Like I said, you're gonna have more customization on a Pixel and Android device, not an iOS device. You're still gonna you're gonna be able to use them on your Android, just you're not gonna have that customization feature. They sounded great on both phones. I had no difference because it's the buds itself, but I just wanted to try it out. They connect good on the iPhone, not as fast as in the Pixel, like I said, but yeah, they work for both iOS and Android. But yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment down below if you guys want to see any more videos on the buds, Pixel, anything else, gaming. But yeah guys, just let me know if you guys want to see a full-on review. Today was just my impressions / unboxing, but just let me know if you guys want to see a full-on review on this. Yes guys, just let me know if you guys want to see a review on the Pixel Buds, see if I like them, how they fit on my ear and everything like that. Just leave a comment down below. Also, I'm showing you guys here how I connected it to my MacBook. And yeah, I'm jamming to some August Dude. But yeah, if you guys haven't heard that song, I recommend it. ASAP, go hear that damn song. It's a freaking bop. But yeah, as you can see, they're connected to my Pixels, which I'm gonna be using from now on. You, Augusty. Bye.